Truth emerges more readily from error than from confusion. There are some people so addicted to exaggeration that they can't tell the truth without lying. A caricature is putting the face of a joke on the body of a truth. In dreams, the truth is learned that all good works are done in the absence of chaos. In time of war, truth is always replaced by propaganda. Pithy sentences are like sharp nails which force truth upon our memory. There are certain persons for whom pure truth is a poison. My longing for truth was a single prayer. Man approaches the unattainable truth through a succession of errors. The truth is your identity already has been stolen. Man will occasionally stumble over the truth, but most of the time he will pick himself up and continue on. Truth is the property of no individual, but is the treasure of all men. If you shut the door to all errors, truth will be shut out.